Hello and welcome to Lutong Inato. Let's cook chicken, pater, or pastel recipe. Finish the video until the end. These are the ingredients: chicken, spices, garlic, red onion, and ginger. Next is the chicken na hinimay na. And then we will add the sukang bisaya para mawala yung langsa. Next is the salt to taste, ground pepper, seasoning to taste, turmeric to taste and pangpakulay, and then the soy sauce, oyster sauce, mamacita, and then brown sugar and calamansi, and we will add the butter and a little bit of oil and additional ground pepper. Yun, no? Luto na po ang ating chicken, pater, o pastel recipe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy! Wow, ang sarap. Yung sili is optional lang po.